Let's go. This information could get me killed.
You were paid well. Disappear.
The briefcase is at the airport. Find the carrier, whatever it takes. No one leaves with that data.
Signal detected, but it's weak.
Visual contact confirmed. We lost contact with 2 agents, both went dark at the same time.
How many agents remain on site? 1. Send reinforcements. Now.
Five minutes until their systems go down. Where's Luna?
We need to download the app before they come back online.
They're planning something. We're running out of time.
Reinforcements in 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Don't lose them.
No phone number? Don't even need an email.
Unbelievable.
They can't see us anymore.
We lost them.
What do you mean, lost them?
They changed protocol.
To what?
Verum.
Damn.
They're still trying to get in.
Any luck?
They're crying.
They're in the air.
Activate the protocol.